The civil case against the global manufacturing giant CTS Corporation that started here in Asheville has now made it to the U.S. Supreme Court. Tonight, News 13's Ashley Cyril joins us live from the site of the old CTS plant in Skyland. Ashley, the site is well known for being contaminated.
Thank you.
That's right. It's become famous for it. Dozens of residents out here living around this CTS site say they've been poisoned by it. And tomorrow, in front of Supreme Court justices, a case will be made on whether it's too late for the company to be held responsible.
This one's dated Thursday, August the 26th, 1999.
Dot Rice has saved every newspaper clipping since the beginning of the battle.
This is April 2014. We're not cleaned up.
Rice lives near the site of the old CTS manufacturing plant. Her husband has a tumor now. She's had tumors. Her and dozens of others say they've been poisoned.
It's horrible. Every morning, you wake up and you think, how am I going to be today? Or the vapor's going to be bad today.
After the plant shut down, it was decades before the Rice's tumors grew and their neighbors started getting all sorts of cancers and filing lawsuits against CTS. But by that time, North Carolina's 10-year statute of limitations for how long you have to sue a company for injuries had passed. And so now the case has arrived in U.S. Supreme Court.
What CTS is arguing is that the statute of limitations can run before you even get hurt, and therefore CTS walks away scot-free.
A federal law for Superfund sites like CTS's plant says the clock starts running when you find out you're sick and pinpoint what or what company caused it. The laws conflict, so the justices will decide which one wins.
What's at stake here is literally millions of future latent injury claims.
Tomorrow morning at 11 a.m., arguments from both sides will be presented. It'll take a couple hours and a decision will come out in a couple months. For the Supreme Court, the decision will be about time.
This case is important. It sets precedent.
And it's about time for Dot Rice too.
If I didn't have a little hope, I probably would be crazy now.
Now, tonight we've got a News 13 crew actually in Washington, and they'll be there tomorrow morning hearing those opening arguments in front of the justices. And this case is actually receiving national attention. One of the people that's going to hold a press conference tomorrow speaking out in support of these victims from here in Skyland is Aaron Brockovich. So a pretty good big name there. You can see that interview here on News 13 tomorrow night. Reporting live in Skyland, Ashley Searles, News 13.